How to transfer photos and videos from Android to laptop or PC. Hi guys, in order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. First of all, you can head over and open up your file manager. And the thing is, you need to have your device's storage connected, which means your Android device should be connected via cable or any other thing. So once this device is connected here under this PC, you can see I have already connected my device. You can see my device's name here. Including that, you can find all of the storage here, like my internal storage and my SD card. Now, in order to transfer file from my internal storage or my SD card to your laptop or PC, all you gotta do is locate up the file or the folder that you would like to transfer. For example, let's say this video. You just need to go ahead and select up the file. After that, you can just go ahead and copy or either move, and then you can just head over to your device's storage. For example, I would like to paste it in here. After that, right click on it, click on paste, confirm it. You can just go ahead and do so, and once that is done, your particular file will be transferred to your device. So this is how you do it. You may follow up the steps in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.